Hello guys, it's Alan's Reviews, and today I want to be taking a look at the new memory maze I got as an Easter present. This has 4 buttons. Like this isn't just your average Simon, but this is very small. I have to say this is the one of the rarest games. Um, Rarest versions of this mini game. However, there's like 2 different versions of this game. One of them has like this one has like good piano samples and music samples. The other one has there's one version that has different type of piano sample uh, plus they used some of the cheaper audio chips, but this one is pretty good. Compared to this one, this one takes 2 AAAs, and the other version of the memory game takes like the LR44 button cells. But today we're using the 2 AAA battery version of Memory Maze, which has the good sounding piano samples, and plus you could actually use these samples for music if you were to record it directly. But you gotta get the object of the game is to get 15 lights in a row to win. Match the sequence, and the sequences keep adding on. To operator, you just flip the on switch, and the game will start. So what you gotta do is when you turn it on, you notice it will start to blink, and then a sequence illuminates on the, and you gotta match the sequence. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I keep hitting it for some reason. So you gotta keep... Oh. Alright. Oh, come on. Oh, shoot. You see the blue, and you see the red. Focus. Alright, if I can focus my camera. Yeah. Yeah, you most likely get the idea. Let's power that off for now. So, what I did notice is, what I did notice, this game is like fairly new, but it kind of does some weird things when the batteries are dead. When the batteries do die, it kind of changes in pitch a little bit, and then it shuts then it just resets. Yeah, it just resets when the batteries are dead. So that's technically what this game does. I have to say, uh, if you have a kid, you know, if you have kids, you may you may get that for them. They're pretty cheap. Um, they're pretty cheap, and you can probably find them like at Dollar Tree, or like this one did come from Dollar Tree, by the way. For I don't know how much money it did cost, but yeah, it's a pretty good game. But anyways, if you like this video, comment below. And for all you Bop It fans out there, um, please check. Please make sure to check out my. Please make sure to check out this video. See you in the next one.
Torch on, stay as press off rec video. Torch on, stay as resolution off record pause snapshot stop.